Joe Beer Master, the Car Master. Today we have a 13 Ford Escape. Showing you the inner handle is broken off here for the hood. So we removed this trim panel. We pulled up this weather strip, pulled that trim panel off. You can see there's a little clips that hold it in. And we're going to replace this section of the latch. There's a cable. We can replace the cable and that section, but I opted to just put the cable on the new latch. So I have a new latch here, right here, and we're going to slide this. I'm taking the new cable off, and I'm going to slide the old one in here, slide it through here. You have to take this little clip off, this little retainer that holds the cable in. That's the first thing you have to do, is take that off. Then we're going to slide it into that little piece there. You're going to have to pull it back. It's pretty simple when you look at it. You have to take this retaining clip off. That's the key. And then you can slide the cable through and pull it off of there. That piece that holds it. So let's go back inside. There's two 7mm screws. Regular, these are not, these are a Torx head, I'm sorry. That's a number 20, there's two of them. Already took the one out. Then we're going to start the transfer process once I get it out. Putting that wire back in. I might have to pry it with a screwdriver a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to take the cable out. Take it off there and then put that on the other one. Alright, this was tight, so to give it a little more slack to come out to hook it to the new one, I went up front and disconnected it here, right here, to give it the slack. So normally this will go inside here, and then you hook that to there, but instead I gave it some slack on the other end, pushing it in. You may have to pull from the other end. Sometimes they get tight. Right here. Alright, so now I'm going to get it in here. This is actually a little bit different than the OEM, but we're going to get it a little bit different. Slide it through here. I got to get this cable into that little hole. Cable's got to go into that little slot right there, and there you go. You put that little clip on, the retaining clip. The little retaining clip that holds it on. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to pull this back and make that tighter. Alright, we go back here. I'm going to click the retaining clip on this. It kind of keeps that cable in there, everything nice and tight. Hook this back on here first. Hear that click? That's good. Put this on, then I'm going to put the two screws back in, put the trim back on, and it's done. I have to reconnect the front also. 2 guide pins on the back that go in those holes there for lining up purposes. And then we're going to put the screws in. 2 screws, one on the top, one on the bottom. One of the first things I want to mention is do not put the handle on if you don't have to. This is cheap plastic, so you can use a plier or something, but don't over tighten it. But once you put this handle in, it clicks on there, and we had a hell of a time getting it off to put the trim panel back on. So just remember that once you click that on, it's very, very difficult to get it off. So that's the last thing you want to do at the very end.